Remember when business was more personal? We do. So when we started manufacturing janitorial cleaners in 2001, our goal was to develop those personal relationships with each one of our customers. By doing so, we believe we can create a business experience that's better for everyone. I'm Derek Ackert with Chemical Universe, and over the past 2 decades, building those personal relationships in our business is exactly what we've done. When you work with us at Chemical Universe, you'll notice that the personal attention we give you incorporates all aspects of the specialized services we provide. Beginning with janitorial cleaners, we've expanded into a vast array of other product lines, from industrial, janitorial, laundry and warewash, and kitchen products, to all kinds of floor care, and we're still expanding. You can see a comprehensive list of the items available to you on the products page of our website at chemicaluniverse.com. Our private branding program really sets us apart. We have our own in-house graphic design team working on every product to guarantee it projects the same high quality as a national brand. To further enhance that service, we also offer in-house label printing to ensure your business is receiving the attention and the high quality it deserves. Quality control is a big concern for us as well. By starting out small, we learn the steps necessary to take care of all of your business needs. And while we aren't so small anymore, we still make all of our products to order, test each batch individually, and check that each product matches your exact specification. It's a process that requires more effort and attention to detail, but as a family-owned company of nearly 20 years, we wouldn't do it any other way.